Okay, if you guys can see the... Whoa, here they go. Hey, what's up guys? This is Thunder Brown. Welcome back to another daily vlog. Where today... ew. Thomas doesn't have any clothes on, but how is my other brother doing today?
I'm eating my chips.
He's eating chips.
Hello.
We're about to go to lunch. Yes, we are about to go to lunch.
I'm hungry.
I love carrying this thing around. I can't lie. Like, I love doing this. This is like the best thing in the entire world. Besides my brother's. Gosh, what?
I'm Spooderman.
Okay. Well, Spooderman somewhere else. Yeah, so, fidget spinner.
We're getting the new dancing game on. Thomas.
We?
Thomas. I said Thomas.
I don't like that. I mean, he's fine and all.
Literally.
I literally don't like Dentinium. But let's see how this looks on the selfie stick. I thought we were going to La Cabana, but we decided not to because ramen noodles are way better. It's true. To some people. To some people, very few actually. Very few people think ramen noodles are better. But I am so cultural that I even eat them with chopsticks.
So, it's $50 to get in.
Yeah, to eat too. So, I'm gonna eat. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are at the place. We just arrived. That was an amazing time lapse, wasn't it?
Let's see all these fireworks.
Okay, so oh my word, these are like those are all the fireworks.
Okay.
That looks dangerous. So does that. So does that. That looks really dangerous.
Everyone, Jonathan here is crazy. Don't watch it. Watch his videos. They're all crazy.
Thank you.
Stop it, Brandon. Oh, buddy.
Like, my goodness. I don't even think I've had time to vlog. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, guys. Putting that behind us. Putting that thing behind us. I'm going to church. And the next time I vlog, it might not be raining. We might not even have fireworks. Which would be bad.
Might be rained out.
What will we do if it is?
Then we'll go home and I'll grill burgers for y'all.
Okay.
What, you don't like that idea?
No, I don't like burgers.
What?
I keep...
Who doesn't like burgers?
I gotta, I'm gonna go to church. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys. We're back. Sorry I didn't get to vlog at all during the thing, but it was disrespectful to film in a church. Isn't that right?
Pretty right.
So we're about to go back over to the fireplace things and shoot off some fireworks because it stopped raining. Yay! What's for lunch? I mean dinner.
I don't know.
Haven't had any dinner yet.
Food.
Food?
We like to eat food for dinner.
Yeah. I think I would like some grass. I loved my time there. I'm so glad I went. Today I was like, oh, that's such a waste of time. But then I kept thinking in my mind once I was there, please be late to pick me up.
Oh, well. I didn't know you wanted me to be late.
No, it was fine. So yeah, we'll see you there. All right, guys, just to be proof that it is not raining anymore, look at the skies. It's kind of cloudy right there, but that's right past us. And we're, oh wait, what are we doing here? Whoa! We're splashing through a puddle because it rained really hard. That's kind of even better because then we get to, oh wait, we gotta turn and boom, okay. So it's even better since the ground is wet, since whatever. I mean, since the fire will catch on the grass. That's good. So let's go shoot off some fireworks or something. I don't know. Okay, so guys, we are back at the house and look at this half-eaten turkey sandwich.
Hey, Nana, can you hold this right here?
Or bologna sandwich, right, Thomas? Yes. Right, Andrew?
I'm eating potato chips. Potato chips I'm eating. No.
I'll have one of those.
No.
Ow. 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 I think I'm dying. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do next, but we're gonna do something. All right, here we go, guys. Guys, if you guys want a tour of this amazing garden,
Jonathan.
Garden.
this is a jalapeno.
Yes, it is.
Can I eat it?
Yes. It's got no poison on it.
Don't do it.
Oh, that is hot, bro.
I can see your hand. You didn't need it.
Oh, dang, that's hot. Just kidding, I didn't eat it. It's
I know,
right
I
here.
said it.
So, there's some cucumbers, some squash, some tomatoes, a whole bunch of tomatoes,
Thomas.
all the way down to there.
Look.
But over here, some
Tomato
gorilla
one.
jalapenos. I've never heard of
Spreading.
those before.
Look.
Whoa. And these, of course, are corn because you can see how tall they are. These are pumpkins. There's some water spiders. Here's some pumpkins. And this is a jalapeno. I might be. That's not hot at all. Just kidding. It's not. I'm not eating it. I'm going to save this forever and ever and ever. Alright, so there's an old corn piece. Just in case. See, if you don't believe me, there's a corn piece. Oh, shoot, my bad. Yeah. And we're back. There's a corn piece right there. And if you still don't believe me, look. Tall as corn. And so, yeah. Let's go do something else. Look at all the people. That is like, look at that.
That is
We found the tomato worm.
Hi, Miss Kennedy.
It looks so
Hey, Miss Kennedy.
stupid. Okay, guys, they're about to start the fireworks. And look at all the people. We're about to start the fireworks. So here we go. Okay, if you guys can see the... Whoa, here they go. Yeah, we got some fireworks going. You guys can see the smoke. Oh, here they go. These are really big.
More louder and shorter.
Oh, here comes another one. You can hear it echo, and that's so cool. Woohoo! Happy 6th of July.
You meant 5th.
Nope, happy 6th. I'm gonna upload this by the 6th. These are actually really cool. You can hear the echo.
Yeah, I know.
Listen to the cows.
Nope, they're like, no. Look at all the bad smoke. Look at all of it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't even, I'm just looking at it through the camera because I have to make sure it focuses right. Oh, that was the shape of the heart. You can see the smoke from where it landed because it's so... It's so cool to hear it. Whoa.
Awesome.
Yay! You hear the... Wow, that was so cool.
It sounds like thunder.
Yeah. Oh, Okay, that was so cool.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Woohoo! That was great. I could see the smoke. It's just like going somewhere. Where's it going? See the... Happy 6th of July. 1 equals 6. So equals, it's the 6th of July. Let's see if they're lighting it. Oh, yep, they are.
Fire!
Yay!
He come back for
Woo. Yeah, these are pretty loud,
Yeah.
especially the echo. And Brayden, didn't you warn me there's gonna be a big one?
Finale.
For the big finale. These seem pretty big to me.
If you go high down, they're gonna be big. That's big. If you go like that high, that big.
I wonder if there's a American flag one.
That'd be cool.
These are actually really cool.
What if one actually
These are really cool. Watch this.
fire?
3, 2, 1. Fire! That last one was really cool, but I didn't record it.
Fire!
Fire. Oh, wait a minute.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Wait a minute. There's one. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Super awesome. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Go. Yeah. So anyway, guys, that is the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.